What's going on, traders? It's day number 28 of the $5,000 account challenge. I'm up $213 on the day. Due to market conditions this week, I have been sizing down. I was sized down yesterday. I took a $200 loss. Sized down again today. Made $200. I took a losing trade at about 12%. I took a winning trade at about 20%. Here's the breakdown of those trades. First one was on AMD. Had a long idea at 169. You know what we do. Don't chase the move. Wait for the dip. Now, in a lot of cases, I would be buying the dip, but this sell-off was so aggressive that I wanted to make sure it was going to hold first. So when we got 3 candles up and you get all these bottoming wicks, that's signaling buying pressure. I buy in about a quarter of the way through this candle as this is rallying. And I'm up over 10% on this position, which maybe I should have just taken the profits on. But I did not. I was looking for the high of day. I was looking for 20%. I was looking for the breakout move. It doesn't happen. And then this started to consolidate with what felt like forever. Seeing all of this consolidation did have me worried because oftentimes the first sign to a trend change is consolidation. And then I noticed the uptrend trend line was being broken here. So I wound up cutting the trade before it got much, much worse, which absolutely was the right thing to do. So this was a losing trade for me, was not a winning trade, but then we move over to SPY. I had a short idea on SPY at 644.5, but this was an up gapper this morning that failed to hold the previous day's close as a point of support, and it rejected off of the all-time high. So both of those things are confirmations for me to do what? Go short and fill this gap down below. So SPY gives us a bear flag breakdown there into a bear flag breakdown here, which fails to hold the PDC as support. So I told everybody at this time we're going to go short on the next rally, which we do. We top tick this with the stop loss at the PDC, looking for the move down into the low of day, which we get. And I know that this looks like the perfect sell. It was in terms of timing because this reversed, but I was offered right at 20%, actually a little over 20% on this trade. So that's why I took my profits there into that weakness. So this one trade here was enough to make up for the losing trade on AMD, which gives me a net profit of $213 in the account, which is just enough to make up the loss from yesterday. So that's it. Real short, sweet, and simple. I just want to harp on the importance of understanding and recognizing market sentiment. It's not always about how much money can you make, how hard can you push it, how fast can you make as much money as possible. That's not it, because it doesn't matter if you can make money if you cannot keep it. So this here is risk management. This here is capital preservation, and that's just as much of a strategy as anything else. Thank you so much for your time. I hope the videos helped. By the way, if you want to participate in the 5K account challenge, you can. It's not too late. Join at any time with any amount. What's important is that you get in here and you start learning this stuff from me. Otherwise, you're just going to be further and further behind the longer and longer that you wait. What I'll do is drop a link in the description of this video. Click on the WAP. That'll give you access to the Discord server and access to the live trading. Thank you for the time. I'm taking tomorrow off, so enjoy the long weekend with Monday being a holiday, and we will see you next time for day number 29 of the $5,000 account challenge. Cheers.